Sean, welcome. It's really nice to have you with us. The last few months of working with Byldr, going through the ropes, learning how to build XR applications has been really wonderful. I personally have enjoyed it, and so has my team. So, welcome and thanks for joining us today.
Yeah, thank you, Surya. It's a pleasure to be here and an honor, and looking forward to the chat today.
Okay, great, awesome. So, let's start. You said Byldr is an XR app development platform, and there are quite a few tools and technologies and platforms out there. Radiant is a app developer. The AR/VR team at Radiant that I head, we develop a lot of applications for training, marketing, visualization for our clients. We are constantly faced with challenges. So the technology landscape is continuously evolving.
Hmm.
There are a lot of tools and technologies out there, and we are always constantly learning. So one of the key things is the limitations of each platform. Learning that takes quite a bit of time, and the clients want different platforms to be used, and so you need to go and learn those platforms, understand what's possible and what is not. And that's kind of what we face as one of the challenges in developing XR applications. So can you shed some light on other challenges that the XR developers or enterprises face while developing XR applications?
Yeah, it's interesting that you bring up some of the challenges that you brought up. I think a lot of it has to do with just how new this industry is. When you're in it, it feels like it's been around forever. But if you look back in time, the HoloLens was first announced in 2015, and HoloLens 1 was first made available 2016. That's only 5 years ago. We're already on the HoloLens 2. If you think about AR Kit, AR Core, that was only in 2017 that they were released. So this is all extremely new technology in a very fast-moving industry. And I think because of that, one of the great challenges that enterprise has is, number one, there's this big promise that XR technology is going to really reduce costs, increase value, make things more efficient. But before investing a lot of time and effort into building these solutions, you first have to prove the concept, right? You first have to come up with a prototype or come up with even a visual demo. And even creating these visual demos and these early prototypes, even to just showcase your idea or to communicate your idea, is extremely challenging right now because of the tools and because of really the lack of enough people in this industry. It causes development time to go way up. Development is very expensive. And so there needs to be kind of a lowering of the barrier. And so, we see that as being a major challenge right now. And we see Byldr as, one way to really, reduce those barriers and eliminate those challenges. And I would love to hear, even from your perspective, if that's a similar challenge that you face at Radiant.
Yes. So most of our clients, Sean, they are either prototyping, and they are just about to get off the blocks. So having a development platform that accelerates this particular prototyping phase is really valuable. If you can just
Mm-hmm.
get something for people to use and experience in a few minutes rather than weeks or
Yep.
months, that is really valuable, because people can start experiencing XR applications and then make decisions on investing more in these kind of technologies. So it really makes sense, Sean. Thank you for that.